back it down. Bus City, look at that. Ooh, they just keep going. Oh, just wait, there they are. And this one's ours. Boop.
Woe to you, Chorazin. Woe to you, Bethsaida. You know what Bethsaida is? Birthplace of Peter, and it looks exactly like this. Alright? Sidewalk's a little different. Rocks are the same. I mean, it looks almost identical to this. Woe to you, Chorazin. Woe to you, Bethsaida. For if the miracles had been performed in Tyre and Sidon, we talked about this the other day. Tyre and Sidon is where? Up north, okay? So this would have been Gentile area, not Jewish area. If the same miracles have been performed in Tyre and Sidon, which occurred in you, they would have repented long ago, sitting in sackcloth and ashes. But it will be more tolerable for Tyre and Sidon in the judgment than for you. And for you, Capernaum, the third of these towns, we will be there this afternoon, will not be exalted in heaven, will you? You will be brought down to Hades. This doesn't sound too encouraging. All right, I want you to think of a couple things very quickly here. We're on the Sea of Galilee. When we go through, you can actually see the sea from here. Capernaum, is where Peter's house. He moved from Bethsaida to Capernaum. We're going to be there this afternoon on the Sea of Galilee. Bethsaida is right near here on the Sea of Galilee. All three of them fishing villages. I want you to imagine what it would be like in the United States if we had one lake. This state has basically one lake. This is prime property. This should be hotels and resorts and concert venues and everything around this lake and on this lake. But what do we have? 3 desolate, destroyed cities. Jesus said 2,000 years ago, woe to you because you were so close yet missed it. The majority of the miracles that Jesus did, he did in 3 places. He did here, he did in Bethsaida, and he did in Capernaum. In all 3 places, they did not receive him. In all 3 places, he said, woe to you, and this is what we have left.
faith will stand.
I will call.
So I will call upon your name.
Yes.
Keep my eyes above the waves. when oceans rise, my soul rests in your embrace. I